You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Arabic origin. If you want to learn more confusing Arabic names in particular, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Arabic pronunciation first, and then how you can pronounce it in English, meaning handsome or beautiful. Jamil. Jamil would be the Arabic pronunciation. Jamil in English, therefore, it's usually pronounced as Jamil. Jamil, you can say it also as Jamil, which sounds a little bit more like Arabic, Jamil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.